Did you know that male pufferfish create intricate sand art to attract mates, just like humans might decorate their homes for a date night? Welcome to Wild Love, Animal Courtship versus Human Dating Decoded, where we'll explore the fascinating parallels between animal mating rituals and human dating behaviors. From elaborate dances to gift-giving, the animal kingdom is full of surprising courtship strategies that mirror our own. But how similar are we really to our wild counterparts when it comes to finding love? In this video, we'll uncover the unexpected connections between nature's matchmaking and human romance, revealing insights that might just change the way you think about your own dating life. Get ready to dive into a world of wild courtship, where we'll decode the universal language of love across species. By the end of this video, you'll gain a new perspective on dating, understand the evolutionary roots of romantic behaviors, and maybe even pick up a few tips from nature's most successful suitors. In the animal kingdom, visual displays play a crucial role in courtship rituals, particularly among birds. The birds of paradise are renowned for their elaborate visual performances. For instance, the male six-plumed bird of paradise performs a mesmerizing ballerina dance, using its unique occipital and breast feathers to captivate females. Peacocks, too, are masters of visual spectacle. During courtship, male peacocks fan out their magnificent tail feathers, creating a stunning iridescent display. They then engage in train rattling, shaking their feathers to produce both visual and auditory effects that attract peahens. These dazzling animal displays find a parallel in human dating behaviors. Just as peacocks showcase their vibrant plumage, humans often dress up for dates, carefully selecting attire to make a positive visual impression. This human practice of enhancing appearance for romantic encounters mirrors the evolutionary strategies seen in nature. Scent also plays a significant role in animal attraction. Porcupines and many insects are known to use scent-based communication. In the insect world, chemical displays through pheromones are particularly important. Female flies of the genus Megacelia, for example, may release pheromones to attract males, demonstrating how chemical signals can be a crucial part of courtship. Humans have developed their own form of scent-based attraction through the use of perfumes and colognes. This practice can be seen as a cultural evolution of the more instinctual use of scent in animal courtship. By applying fragrances, humans attempt to enhance their attractiveness, much like how animals use natural scents to signal their readiness to mate. In the animal kingdom, courtship dances are a fascinating display of movement and coordination, often used to attract mates. Among the most captivating examples are the lance-tailed mannequins. Male mannequins perform elaborate dances that include gliding along a branch and snapping their wings to create clicking sounds. These displays are not just for show, they demonstrate the male's strength, agility, and fitness to potential mates. Females carefully observe these performances and select partners based on the quality of their dance, ensuring that only the most capable males pass on their genes. These animal courtship dances find an intriguing parallel in human behavior, particularly in social settings like clubs or parties where dancing often plays a role in romantic attraction. Just as animals use movement to showcase their fitness or compatibility, humans use dancing as a form of nonverbal communication to express confidence, rhythm, and social bonding. Whether it's a bird moonwalking on a branch or humans swaying to music on a dance floor, these rituals highlight how movement can be a universal language of attraction across species. In the intricate world of animal courtship, gift-giving emerges as a sophisticated strategy for attracting mates. Adelie penguins offer another remarkable example of gift-giving in the animal kingdom. Male Adelie penguins collect and present carefully selected smooth pebbles to potential mates. These stones are not merely decorative but serve a critical purpose in nest building. Females evaluate these gifts as indicators of the male's potential as a partner and provider, making pebble selection a crucial part of their courtship ritual. Humans mirror these animal behaviors through their own gift-giving traditions. Presenting flowers, chocolates, or thoughtful romantic gestures serves a similar evolutionary purpose of demonstrating care, resources, and commitment. Just as a penguin's carefully selected pebble communicates potential as a mate, human gifts represent an individual's thoughtfulness, economic capability, and romantic intent. Whether it's a bouquet of roses, a box of premium chocolates, or a carefully planned surprise, these gestures echo the ancient courtship rituals seen throughout the animal kingdom. Vocal performances play a crucial role in courtship across many species, with birds and frogs providing some of the most striking examples in the animal kingdom. Bird songs are intricate and varied, serving multiple purposes in courtship. Birds produce more consistent syllable structures in their courtship songs compared to their non-courtship vocalizations, with females showing a strong preference for these more consistent performances. This suggests that the quality and consistency of vocal performances can directly influence mating success in birds. Frogs rely heavily on vocal displays for courtship. Male frogs often gather in large numbers, creating choruses to attract females to breeding sites. Research on wood frogs has shown that females are particularly attracted to low-pitched choruses with little variation in pitch. Interestingly, individual frog calls within these choruses may play a role in positioning males at the breeding site, but the ultimate mating success seems to be determined more by physical competition once females arrive. In humans, vocal performances in courtship take various forms, from traditional serenades to modern pickup lines and witty conversation. Much like the consistency valued in bird songs or the attractive qualities of frog choruses, human vocal displays aim to demonstrate desirable traits to potential mates. Witty conversation, for example, can showcase intelligence and creativity, while serenades might demonstrate musical talent and emotional expressiveness. These human behaviors parallel the animal world's use of vocalizations to attract mates and signal fitness, albeit in more culturally complex and nuanced ways. In the animal kingdom, territory establishment and nest building play crucial roles in courtship rituals, with bowerbird and the male Argus pheasant providing fascinating examples. Bowerbird are renowned for their elaborate courtship behavior, where males construct intricate structures called bowers to attract mates. They spend hours arranging a variety of brightly colored objects around their bowers, including shells, leaves, flowers, and even man-made items like plastic and coins. The male Argus pheasant takes a different approach, creating a specialized courtship arena rather than a nest. These birds maintain cleared areas on the forest floor, known as courts, where they perform their elaborate displays. Males visit these courts regularly, though less frequently than initially expected by researchers. They meticulously maintain these spaces, even practicing their displays towards inanimate objects that fall onto the court. These animal behaviors find a parallel in human courtship rituals, where individuals often invite potential partners to their homes or create romantic atmospheres for dates. Just as bowerbird decorate their bowers and Argus pheasants maintain their courts, humans may tidy and decorate their living spaces to impress potential mates. The act of inviting someone into one's personal space, whether it's a bower, a courtship arena, or a human home, serves as a significant step in the courtship process across species. In both animal and human contexts, these territorial displays and nest-building behaviors serve multiple purposes. They demonstrate the individual's ability to secure and maintain resources, showcase creativity and attention to detail, and provide a safe space for courtship interactions. For bowerbird, the bower even functions as a protective device, allowing females to safely observe male displays and reject unsuitable mates without risking forced copulation. Hormonal influences play a crucial role in regulating mating behaviors across the animal kingdom, including humans. In many species, mating seasons are triggered by hormonal changes that align with environmental cues such as day length. For example, birds respond to increasing day length in spring with heightened reproductive hormone production, leading to breeding behaviors. Similarly, mammals like sheep exhibit seasonal breeding patterns, with hormones driving reproduction during specific times of the year when conditions are optimal for offspring survival. In humans, hormonal fluctuations throughout the menstrual cycle influence attraction and behavior, particularly around ovulation. Research has shown that women experience changes in their perceptions and actions during their fertile phase. Women report feeling more attractive and sexually desirable in the days leading up to ovulation. This heightened sense of attractiveness may be accompanied by changes in grooming behavior and clothing choices, with women tending to dress more attractively near ovulation. Interestingly, women's attraction patterns also shift during the fertile phase. Studies have found that women partnered with less sexually attractive men show increased interest in masculine-looking men around ovulation. This effect is even more pronounced when women are dissatisfied with their current relationships. Additionally, women may experience increased sexual desire for men other than their primary partners during this time. These hormonal influences on human behavior mirror the purpose of mating seasons in other animals to optimize reproductive success. Just as animals' hormones drive them to mate when conditions are favorable, human hormonal changes around ovulation may subconsciously influence behavior to increase the likelihood of conception with a genetically fit partner. Commitment and pair bonding are fascinating aspects of both animal and human relationships. In the animal kingdom, lovebirds and penguins provide compelling examples of long-term partnerships. Lovebirds are known for their strong pair bonds and are often used as a symbol of devoted couples. Penguins, particularly species like the macaroni penguin, demonstrate remarkable commitment to their partners. Most breeding pairs of macaroni penguins are monogamous, engaging in what researchers call an ecstatic display when reuniting with their mates. This behavior strengthens their bond and helps maintain their long-term relationship. However, it's important to note that even in seemingly monogamous species, variations in behavior occur. Some penguin pairs engage in flirting outside their primary relationship, and occasional extra-pair mating does happen. Despite this, most penguins remain in their primary relationships for extended periods. In humans, long-term relationships and marriage parallel these animal behaviors. Like penguins, human couples often form strong, lasting bonds. Marriage, in particular, offers numerous benefits, including better physical and emotional health, more wealth and income, and lifelong continuity of intimate relationships. However, human relationships, like those of penguins, are complex. While many couples strive for lifelong monogamy, the reality often includes challenges and occasional deviations. The key to lasting relationships in both humans and animals appears to be a combination of commitment, adaptability, and the ability to navigate life's changes together. As we've explored in this journey through the wild world of love, the parallels between animal courtship and human dating are both striking and illuminating. From elaborate visual displays and gift-giving to complex dances and vocal performances, we've seen how nature's mating rituals mirror our own romantic pursuits in surprising ways. Yet, it's crucial to recognize the unique aspects of human relationships. While we share evolutionary roots with our animal counterparts, our courtship behaviors are shaped by culture, cognition, and complex social structures that set us apart. The human capacity for long-term commitment, emotional bonding, and the ability to consciously choose our partners adds layers of complexity to our mating rituals that go beyond pure instinct. Reflecting on these similarities and differences reminds us of our place in the natural world. The courtship behaviors we've observed across species are the result of millions of years of evolution, fine-tuned to ensure the survival and thriving of each species. In humans, these ancient instincts intertwine with our advanced cognitive abilities, creating the rich tapestry of human relationships we experience today. As we conclude, I encourage you to take this newfound appreciation for nature's diversity in mating rituals into your daily life. The next time you're in a park, at the beach, or even in your own backyard, take a moment to observe the courtship behaviors of the animals around you. You might spot a bird's elaborate dance, hear a frog's melodious call, or witness the careful construction of a nest. By observing and appreciating these natural wonders, we not only deepen our understanding of the world around us but also gain insights into our own behaviors and relationships. Who knows? You might even pick up a few tips from nature's most successful romantics. So, go out there and experience the wild love that surrounds us. Share your observations in the comments below, and let's continue to explore and celebrate the beautiful diversity of life and love in nature.